Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Apex Autos. The 2025 Honda Prelude marks the long-anticipated return of an iconic nameplate, combining sporty performance with hybrid efficiency. Designed to appeal to enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike, the Prelude makes a bold statement with its sleek coupe design, dynamic stance, and modern Honda styling cues. From its sharp LED lighting signature to its sculpted body lines and low-slung profile, the car evokes the spirit of past Preludes while embracing Honda's future-forward design language. Under the hood, the 2025 Prelude features a two-motor hybrid system that blends a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle four-cylinder engine with electric motors for a combined output expected to be around 200 horsepower. This powertrain is similar to the setup found in the latest Honda Accord hybrid, but tuned for a more responsive and sporty character. The hybrid system not only provides zippy acceleration but also delivers impressive fuel efficiency, making it ideal for both city commuting and weekend drives. The power is sent to the front wheels through an ECVT transmission, ensuring smooth and linear power delivery. Inside the cabin, Honda has focused on simplicity and driver-centric design. The Prelude offers a clean dashboard layout with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an 11.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The use of premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and available leather-trimmed seats gives the interior a refined, upscale feel. Dual-zone climate control, a 12-speaker Bose audio system, and ambient lighting further elevate the driving experience. The low seating position and sporty steering wheel reinforce the car's performance intentions. Safety and driver assist technologies are well integrated, as the Prelude comes standard with the Honda Sensing Suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and traffic sign recognition. A new feature for the Prelude is a performance-oriented drive mode selector, allowing drivers to switch between eco, normal, sport, and individual settings to tailor the driving dynamics. The chassis is built on Honda's latest global platform, offering increased rigidity and a lower center of gravity. Combined with a multi-link rear suspension and specially tuned dampers, the Prelude promises agile cornering and a smooth ride. The lightweight construction, aerodynamic design, and wide track all contribute to the car's impressive balance of performance and efficiency. As for pricing, the 2025 Honda Prelude is expected to start around $30,000 for the base model, with fully loaded trims approaching the $38,000 mark. This places it competitively against rivals like the Toyota GR86, Subaru BRZ, and even entry-level trims of the Mazda MX-5. With its hybrid powertrain, stylish design, and everyday usability, the Prelude carves out a unique niche in the sporty coupe segment. In just 4 minutes, the Prelude makes it clear, Honda is serious about blending sustainability with sportiness. Whether you're drawn by nostalgia or looking for a practical yet thrilling ride, the 2025 Prelude delivers a fresh take on an old favorite.